Welcome to all. For this video, I am going to take some of the condensation reactions in organic chemistry. Already we had discussed aldol condensation reaction with mechanism. So you are well known. What is condensation reaction? Condensation reaction means a reaction in which two or more molecules combine to form a larger molecule with the loss of small molecules such as water or ammonia. While the reaction S takes place, that is favor for formation of new carbon-carbon bond. Now we are going to discuss about some of the condensation reactions. First one is aldol condensation reaction. Already we are discussed this reaction. Aldol condensation reaction means that is occur in aldehyde having alpha hydrogen atom with a dilute base to give beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. That is called as aldol. That type of reaction is called as aldol condensation reaction. Two types of aldol condensation reaction is possible. One is normal aldol condensation reaction. Another one is crashed aldol condensation reaction. If the condensation reaction occur between same carbonyl compound, that is called as aldol condensation. Otherwise, if the condensation reaction occur between two different carbonyl compound, it is called as crashed aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation mechanism. Here we are taking 2 moles of acetaldehyde that is involved for 4-step process. First step is carbanion is formed as a alpha hydrogen atom is removed as a proton by the base. Base act as a catalyst, that is remove alpha hydrogen from the one of the acetaldehyde molecule to form carbanion, because here carbon atom is carrying a negative charge. Step 2. That carbanion attack the carbonyl carbon of another unionized aldehyde, here acetaldehyde we are taking, to form alkoxide ion. Step 3. The alkoxide ion is protonated by water to form aldol. Aldol means the compound is containing alcoholic group as well as carbonyl group. Here we are taking 2 moles of acetaldehyde involved for aldol condensation reaction. In the presence of base, product is 3-hydroxybutanol. This 3-hydroxybutanol is containing alcoholic group as well as aldehydic group. Step 4. This aldol involve dehydration to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. 3-hydroxybutanol involved for dehydration to form crotonaldehyde. Next condensation reaction is Gleason-Schmidt condensation reaction. Benzaldehyde condenses with aliphatic aldehyde or methyl ketone in the presence of dilute alkali at room temperature to form unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. This type of reaction is called as Gleason-Schmidt condensation reaction. First example is benzaldehyde, molecular formula C6H5CHO, involved for condensation reaction with acetaldehyde CH3CHO in the presence of diluted NaOH. Water molecule is removed to form cinnamaldehyde. Molecular formula C6H5CH double bond CH Another one example, when benzaldehyde involved for Condensation reaction with acetone in the presence of diluted NaOH, water molecule is removed, product is benzol acetone. Otherwise, benzaldehyde acetone is obtained. Benzaldehyde molecular formula C6H5CHO reacted with acetone molecular formula CH3COCH3 in the presence of diluted NaOH, that is act as a catalyst for that reaction. Water molecule is eliminated. Benzol acetone is obtained. Benzol acetone molecular formula C6H5CH double bond CHCOCH3. This is Gleason-Schmidt condensation reaction. Next, Gleason condensation reaction. It is a carbon-carbon bond forming reaction that occurs between two esters or one ester with another carbonyl compound in the presence of strong base to form beta keto ester or beta diketone. Simply, ester containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self-condensation in the presence of a strong base such as sodium ethoxide to form beta keto ester. For example, ethyl acetate involved for self-condensation reaction in the presence of strong base. Here we are taking sodium ethoxide to form ethyl acetoacetate and ethyl alcohol. This is Gleason condensation reaction. Next reaction is Navier-Stokes reaction. Navier-Stokes condensation is a nucleophilic addition of an active hydrogen atom to a carbonyl group followed by a dehydration reaction in which a molecule of water is eliminated. The product is called as alpha beta unsaturated ketone. That means benzaldehyde condenses with malonic acid in the presence of pyridine. Equation: benzaldehyde C6H5CHO reacted with malonic acid. Molecular formula CH2COOH twice in the presence of pyridine to form one addition compound first. Immediately, that is involved for heating, removal of carbon dioxide takes place. Decarboxylation reaction takes place to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. Here, cinnamic acid is obtained. Molecular formula C6H5CH double bond CHCOOH. This is Navier-Stokes reaction of benzaldehyde. Navier-Stokes reaction is very much used for preparation of cinnamic acid. Another one reaction also used to preparation of cinnamic acid, that is Perkins reaction. It gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid by the aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride in the presence of an alkali salt of the acid. Definition: when an aromatic aldehyde is heated with an aliphatic acid anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of the acid corresponding to the anhydride, condensation reaction takes place to form alpha, beta unsaturated acid. This is known as Perkins reaction. Equation: benzaldehyde, molecular formula C6H5CHO, involved for condensation reaction with acidic anhydride CH3COO COCH3 in the presence of sodium salt of the acid. Here we are taking sodium acetate CH3COO Na. This salt is act as a base catalyst. Addition compound is formed. Immediately dehydrolysis reaction takes place to form cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Cinnamic acid molecular formula C6H5CH double bond CHCOOH. Perkins reaction as well as Navier reaction, both the reaction product is same, that is cinnamic acid. Both the reactions condensation reaction. Next one is trop nitrile condensation. Self-condensation of two molecules of alkyl nitrile, that is must containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of sodium to form iminonitrile. Here we are taking propane nitrile CH3CH2C triple bond N reacted with CH3CH2CN, that is also propane nitrile. Self-condensation reaction in the presence of sodium. Ether is act as a solvent to form iminonitrile compound. Product name is 3-imino-2-methyl propane nitrile. This reaction is called as trop nitrile condensation reaction. Next reaction, Levin and Hausser reaction. The nitrile containing alpha hydrogen also undergo condensation with ester in the presence of sodamide in ether to form ketonitrile. This reaction is known as Levin and Hausser acetylation. This reaction involves replacement of ethoxy group by methyl nitrile group. This is called as cyanomethylation reaction. For example, we are ethyl propanate molecular formula CH3CH2COOC2H5 reacted with methyl cyanide, otherwise known as ethane nitrile CH3CN in the presence of sodamide. 3-keto-pentane nitrile is obtained. Actually, ethoxy group of ethyl propanate, ethoxy means C2H5O group, is replaced by CH2CN. Ethoxy group of ethyl propanate and hydrogen atom in methyl cyanide is removed as ethanol. So, remaining groups are joined together to form 3-keto-pentane nitrile CH3CH2COCH2CN. So, this reaction is also called as cyanomethylation reaction. Ethoxy group is removed by, otherwise replaced by methyl nitrile group. So, this is called as cyanomethylation reaction. Next reaction is benzoin condensation. The benzoin condensation involves the treatment of an aromatic aldehyde with aqueous alcoholic ACN The product is alpha hydroxy ketone. When 2 moles of benzaldehyde involved for the reaction with alcoholic KCN to form benzoin. Benzaldehyde molecular formula C6H5CHO. 2 moles of benzaldehyde involved for reaction in the presence of alcoholic KCN. Benzoin is obtained. Product is benzoin. Molecular formula C6H5CHOH C double bond O C6H5. Just proton is migrated from one benzaldehyde molecule into another one benzaldehyde. IUPAC name of benzoin is 3-hydroxy-1,2-diphenylethanone. This is benzoin condensation. 2 moles of benzaldehyde involved for condensation reaction in the presence of alcoholic KCN to form benzoin. Next reaction also benzaldehyde reaction. Here benzaldehyde reacted with tertiary aromatic amines. When benzaldehyde involved for condensation reaction with tertiary aromatic amine like NN-dimethyl-aniline in the presence of strong acid to form triphenylmethane di. Chemical reaction benzaldehyde C6H5CHO reacted with 2 moles of NN-dimethyl-aniline. Aniline molecular formula C6H5NH2. Benzene ring containing NH2 group, that is aniline. Here hydrogen is replaced by 2CH3 group. So that CH3 group is linked with benzene ring through nitrogen atom. So name N,N-dimethyl-aniline. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form triphenylmethane di. That is a beautiful green dye. Chemical name is malachite. Another one benzaldehyde condensation reaction. Benzaldehyde reaction with ammonia. Benzaldehyde form a complex condensation product with ammonia. Benzaldehyde. Here we are taking 3 moles of benzaldehyde involved for condensation reaction with 2 moles of ammonia. 3 water molecule is removed to form a complex compound, that is hydrobenzamide is obtained. So these are the some condensation reaction in your book. Revise well, study well. Thank you.